Hi, this is Latanya Murray, the principal at the Dare Learning Academy. Welcome to the 2021 school year. We here at the Dare Learning Academy realize that we are living in very unique and unprecedented times. However, we are going to do whatever is possible to ensure that our students have a meaningful and comprehensive learning experience throughout remote learning. As you know, our teachers are 100% dedicated to doing what's necessary to ensure that our students are successful, not just in school, but also in life. And I am confident that if we all work together, we can achieve this goal. It, however, is going to take a group effort. And as we talk about our group, I'd like to let you know that we have a new staff member here at the Dare Learning Academy. Dr. Michael Yancey has joined us and will be teaching science and the facilitator for DRA. Returning staff members will be Ms. Dawn Tillett teaching math, Ms. Tyson teaching English, Mr. Sawyer teaching history and Dean of Students, and Ms. Cookie Skinner who will be providing EC services for us. Teachers have a lot of expectations this year. They will also be posting an introductory video, very much like this one, and their contact information will be in the contact information spreadsheets on the district website. They will contact each student or family during the week of August 17th through 21st. They will set up a Google Classroom for each one of their courses that will serve as their actual classroom throughout remote learning. All assignments will be posted in the Google Classroom, even if a student has APEX assignments. Assignments will be posted each Friday for the following week, and teachers will have at least 2 face-to-face virtual sessions per week and at least 1 flipped or pre-recorded lesson per week. Students, we ask that you go in today and log into your Dare County Schools email account and check your account for information from your teachers so you'll know how to log in and get started with your classes. You'll need to check your email daily and also check your Google Classrooms, which is your learning management system, every day. Like I said before, even your APEX assignments will be listed in that Google Classroom, and in order to get credit for your assignments, you will have to log into that daily. We ask that you attend any Google Meets or class sessions that your teachers have, face-to-face or virtually, and we ask that you adhere to the honor code and that you submit your assignments on time. If you have any situations arise that keep you from being able to turn your assignments in, please get in contact with your teachers and let them know. Daily attendance will be accounted for by completion of your assignments and by you attending those face-to-face virtual sessions with your teachers. Those sessions will happen according to this schedule, which is listed here. Mostly, you will have classes from 9 in the morning until 12:15. The teachers have decided here at DLA that they're going to do those virtual sessions on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Grading will happen as follows. Assignments will be due on the date that they're assigned. Teachers will update PowerSchool within 5 days of the submission of those assignments. For the first 9 weeks, you'll have 10 informal assignments and you'll have a minimum of 4 assessments. Those assessments can be tests or quizzes or a paper or a project their teachers asked you to do. If you don't get an assignment done by the due date, then the teacher will put in a placeholder of a 0 for that assignment. You will then have 5 days to turn that in for full credit. If you don't turn it in within 5 days, then 10% will come off of that grade each day down to a lowest grade of a 50 if that assignment's turned in. If for some reason that assignment does not get turned in, then you will be capable of getting the 0 that they put in as the placeholder. The teachers will have a conversation with me and also contact your parents to let them know how that will impact your grade. Parents, there's lots of expectations for you too. We need you to check your email on a regular basis and your messages from teachers. We need you to go in and view the videos that the teachers are posting and get their contact information from the information contact pages on the district website. We need for you to make sure that your students are doing the assignments that are assigned for them. Please update us if you have any new contact information, email addresses, or mailing addresses. And like I said before, more importantly, we need you to encourage your students to get their work done, to check their emails, to complete assignments by the due dates, and to participate in any face-to-face sessions that they have. A reminder, if you haven't been able to check into Parent Portal, please do that. We need you to update the returning student verification. And if you need any assistance in doing that, like username or password assistance, please contact me directly at the information you see on the screen. Thank you, and we look forward to having a very productive school year.